Press Ctrl R to open the Run window, then type regedit and press Enter. In the Registry Editor, navigate to Control Panel then Desktop. Find the menu Show Delay option. Set its value to 0 and click OK. Now, press Ctrl R again. But this time type msconfig into the Run box and hit Enter. In the System Configuration window, go to the Boot tab and click on Advanced Options. Here, check the box for number of processors and set it to the maximum available. Once done, click OK, then apply to save the changes. And that's it. You should now notice a significant performance boost on your PC. Give it a try, and let us know in the comments how it worked for you.